Andito kami ngayon sa May Friendship Road to visit one of our partners at Swat Fitness, which is a very famous chiropractor in the country. It's called Doc Rob's Vitality Wellness Center. It's one of the best wellness facility in the country with branches in Makati, Quezon City, Alabang, Cavite, and now they have opened a new center here in the heart of Angeles City. Hello mga kaswat! How are you? Jay here again from Swat Fitness. Of course, at Doc Rob's, they specialize in chiropractic care, which is a holistic approach that goes beyond temporary fixes but aims to improve our spinal motion and improve our body's physical function. Since it is a wellness center, very beneficial to para sa atin lahat, di ba? And we, at Swat Fitness, we aim to provide you with an overall wellness that will help you improve your overall lifestyle. So come on guys, let's go inside and check what's in store for all our SWAT Fitness members. So pasok tayo para ma-meet natin si Doc. Guys, I want you to meet Dr. Mark Robson. Hi Doc, how are you? Good morning.
Oh, good to see you,
Yeah.
Jay. I'm actually, yes, a doctor of chiropractic, 40 years from
Wow.
Canada. However, I'm practicing here as a naturopath,
Okay.
licensed naturopath as well. So that's a lot of nutrition, detox, that type of thing. I'll give you a tour in just a
Yeah.
second. And here's our team.
So Doc, can you show us a tour inside the clinic for our viewers to see what are the services that we are offering?
I would love to. I sure can, for sure. So this is our front office, our beautiful team up here. And in this area, we've got a lot of our products here that we use for, helping our patients with the ergonomics of sitting and sleeping and even traveling. So we have them here for immune boosting, collagen, joint. Because a lot of people have joint problems, tendons, ligaments, muscles, so that the joint supplements are really good for that.
Okay.
Collagen. And a lot of people have very weak immunity.
Yeah.
That's a big problem. So we have Immune Booster. All of these products are from Japan. This is our reception area where people love to sit around and relax, like these two young people here.
Hi, good morning. Sure.
When people come in here, we show them a short video, about 5 minutes or so, with Doc Rob. And Doc Rob is an excellent explainer about chiropractic and what happens. And these are some of the celebrities that have seen Doc Rob and in his clinics. And then once they've seen that video, they understand what we do a little bit better, how chiropractic works, spinal alignment, and how it fits in with naturopathy and organ function. So I'll take you into the next room. This is my examination and consultation room. So what I do in here is we just go through a consultation and a history of what's going on, how they're feeling about their life. And we go through their goals and what they really want to do in their life and how long they want to live and what quality of life. And it fits really nice with SWAT Fitness because you guys are doing the same thing, longevity, quality of life. So my role here is to make sure that they are as healthy as possible with their current age and then how it fits in with their long-term and short-term goals. Now, most people come in to see us because they have some aches and pains, headaches, migraines, high blood pressure, diabetes, stomach acid reflux, sciatica, all the aches and pains, that type of thing. But really, that's not our main concern because usually those things go away quickly. What I focus on is the cause of those conditions. And that's really important. We go down and we work on the cause. So here's a short version of what we actually do. The brain is like a generator of power and electricity, sending billions of messages every second down the spinal cord, out through these nerves to all these glands, organs, and every muscle, telling them what to do. Then asking for feedback, again, billions of messages going back to the brain. This is your best doctor right there. However, as we, when we're born, we're yanked out by our neck. We fall out of our crib, off the bicycles as a teenager. Okay, those of you that are teenagers, you're growing up with devices and laptops and sitting, all kinds of problems. Then we fall off of our motorcycle and then we're stressed, eating the wrong food. We're getting weak and weak and weaker because these spinal problems here. These bones get stuck and jammed, and they choke off and block the messages from brain to body. So my job is more like an electrician and a spinal engineer.
Okay.
My skill set of 40 years is to find these areas that are stuck and jammed and remove them over a period of time, and then the body starts to heal itself. We go through a process. I show them how long it's going to take on this pathway, answer all their questions. And again, how I'll be working with you and your team is if they need muscle training or certain spinal training and rehab, I'll be sending them over to SWAT Fitness with a prescription and recommendations to your personal trainers so that they have the custom-made program. And that's a benefit for your customers.
So that's nice, Doc, because again, at the end of the day, all our trainers at SWAT Fitness will be equipped, and they'll be empowered as well to help you in terms of problems in terms of your spine or whatever injury or spinal problems that we'll be having, right, Doc?
That's the benefit of working with your team and your gym. The other benefit is, for me, I'm confident in sending my patients over there because I've trained your team, right?
You, yes.
Rather than just say, go join the gym.
Exactly.
No, this way it's going to be customized, and I'll feel confident, and your customers will feel confident. Okay.
Nice one.
We've seen them the first time. We've designed a program for them. They can come into this adjustatorium, so to speak. This is where we do adjustments, and we correct their spinal adjustments. We call them subluxations, which is this. Subluxations, every human has it. These are vertebrae that are stuck, jammed, misaligned, pinching or irritating the nerve supply, and that's what causes so many conditions in a person's life. That's what I correct all day. People can come on in here. They don't have to be a patient necessarily. They can come in, have a tour, have a chat with me if they want. Consultations are 2,000 pesos, but for your members, it's 50% off.
Wow, guys, you heard that. You get 50% off for SWAT Fitness members.
Yes, and not only that, we have financial packages to save them money. So in the top two, the corrective care and the long-term care packages, which are the most cost-effective, we're knocking off a further 5% off that for all SWAT members. Okay.
Thank you so much for that. Guys, you heard that. For all our SWAT Fitness members, you get 5% discount in their packages and a 50% off for the initial consultation.
This is where we do the IV drips.
Oh, okay.
For detoxification, immune boosting, skin whitening. These are massage chairs that they're allowed to use as well. Before we do the IV drips, we actually go into this room here for the live blood cell analysis. We take a small little drop of blood with a little pinprick. It's very, very small. And we put that onto a slide into here and onto the microscope through this camera and onto our TV screen. And that way you can see the red blood cells live. And they should be flowing nicely through the plasma. Okay, you can see the white blood cells. But what we see a lot of is congestion of the red blood cells, which is an aggregation, which is usually due to what Filipinos eat. Too much sisig, liempo, oil, sugar, and then we can see uric acid crystals, cholesterol crystals, liver damage, okay? We can see white blood cells filled with bacteria, and then you can actually see bacteria swimming through your blood. They've got little tails called flagella. And if you see too much of that, your white blood cell system, which is the vacuum cleaners of your blood, they're just going around killing bacteria, sucking them up and destroying them, but they're hard at work. So we see all that. Then that helps me with their examination findings and history, helps me determine from the live blood cell analysis what IV drips they need, which you can see here. There's Doc Rob having a immune booster, anti-aging with our nurse. And then what we do also with a lot of bacteria, we'll use what's called the biozapper.
Okay.
And that runs a small current through your body, which then kills the bacteria.
Oh.
And then over here, I recommend a customized diet, okay, for weight loss, detoxification. We have patients in here with cancer and high blood pressure, diabetes, all kinds of things. What will be coming sooner is the hyperbaric chamber. So this space here is designed to fit the hyperbaric chamber. And what that does is it increases the pressure, the atmospheric pressure. It can take about 4 or 5 people in it. And which is similar to scuba diving. When you scuba dive, the pressure increases.
Yeah.
That's what this does. And it'll squeeze oxygen into all your cells. So we use this for diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, and also athletes that want to run or perform faster. So that works really well. And by the way, there's the biozapper. So basically hold these two and run a current through. So that's our clinic. We've got 2 sides. It's kind of a one-stop shop for spinal alignment, brain to body neurology, and then this is all the naturopathic detoxification system. So that's what we've got going on.
Wow.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, Doc, thank you very much for that tour. You know what? This is my second time to be here in this clinic, and just my insights about this one. A lot of patients or people who have condition, they usually go to a hospital. My personal experience, when you go to a hospital, the place is kind of depressing. You know, when you go to a hospital, you see other patients. But when you're here, you meet a friendly reception team. The place is clean, it's bright, plus the doctor is very cheerful and very jolly. This will create a positive aura in you for you to get well.
About 40 years ago in Canada, we went through this same phase. People were getting tired of taking drugs. They didn't want to have the surgery. They were looking for other answers and solutions, natural approaches. So with chiropractic and naturopathy and acupuncture and even fitness clubs were just starting back then. So now I come to your country in the Philippines. It's like going back in time and seeing what's happening here. And with medicine, they focus on treating the symptoms. They do great, and we need medical doctors and emergency surgeons for accidents and injuries. But as far as healthcare, longevity, prevention, it's like spray painting a rusty car.
Exactly.
Okay?
Just covering it up.
So we don't focus on symptoms so much. We again go, what is causing now? What's the root cause? Correct the cause, the symptoms go away as a side effect. Okay?
Doc, how can they get in touch with you if they want to visit your clinic, or if they directly want to get in touch with you? How can they do that?
Well, they can. We're on Facebook. We're on YouTube. I think we're on Instagram. We're all over the place. Doc Rob. And the Doc Rob Vitality Wellness Center, Angeles Friendship Highway. We're here Wednesday to Sunday. Stop in. We're here from 9 o'clock to 5 on Wednesday and Thursday. The other days 9 to 3.
This will be very, very helpful and beneficial for all our viewers out there. So once again, for all our SWAT Fitness members, try to enjoy all those benefits and all those perks, because we are promoting, both of us, Doc Rob's Wellness Clinic and SWAT Fitness. We are partners to promote wellness and a healthy lifestyle. So once again, Doc, thank you very much for your time.
Welcome.
So guys, thank you very much, and watch out for our next video, and see you there in the gym.
See you all very well. And remember, your health is your wealth.